One day, we're going to get an Indian movie on the opening night of Cannes. You can't make it happen. You can't make somebody else fall in love with you, which I tried and I miserably failed. I can't sit in big restaurants. I just feel awkward. I just like, jaldi khana, jaldi. Salam, this is Taha Shah Badusha, and I am here with Sucharita at the beautiful Cannes. You want to walk into it or you just
We are going to walk into it.
Okay.
I'm here with Taha. जो मतलब हम सड़क पे 2 minute नहीं चल पा रहे हैं. Someone's coming up to you to say hi. Hello.
Hello. We are actually, I'm just watching out so you don't bump into anybody right now. All right. But so good to see you here, Sucharita. I know you've been watching a lot of movies.
I've been watching 8 hours of Hira Mandi.
You watched 8 hours of Hira Mandi?
And then I'm moving on to
That's actually quite, and you sat in one sitting?
No. I watched the first 5 episodes.
Okay.
Then I came and saw you guys, and then I finished the show afterward.
How do you like it?
You've not seen my review, Taha? How?
No, but I want to hear it. I want to hear
No,
it.
you go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel and watch my review. But tell me this. Tell me how it's been at Cannes, getting recognized here on the streets in France.
You know, it's nothing short of a miracle, to be very honest, especially for somebody who's been wanting some kind of recognition for the last 15 years. And literally anybody who comes up to me and they're saying Tajdar, they're even now saying Taha. So the name is registering with them. That it's really so humbling. And I've always done this to spread laughs as well as spread smiles. And when you see girls come up to you and they're just trying to recognize you, and then they recognize you, and then their face lights up. It's like you put a bulb in them. You know, it's really such a peaceful and such an incredible feeling.
You know, when I met you during the interviews, I asked what it is like to be a Bhansali hero, because we talk about being Bhansali heroines and Bhansali actresses. But being a Bhansali hero is also something special. And now that I finished the show, he really does treat you well in the show, man. He's done really good for Tajdar.
Yes, he has.
But tell me, what has been the weirdest sort of response you've received from people? Because now, I'm assuming सड़क पे चलते-चलते हर शहर में आपको चिल्ला के लोग ताजदार बुला रहे हैं. कहाँ पर सबसे unexpected response और अजीब response मिला है अभी तक?
यहाँ पे, I didn't expect Norwegian people, French people, Spanish people, Italian people, and then of course a lot of Malaysians, a lot of people from Singapore, some people from Australia. This has become a geography lesson. All right, this has become a geography. Where are you from? Literally, all right. I get some people know me here, some people know me here. And
instantly a map lights up in your brain.
Yeah, map lights up, and it's also you have audience in these countries. Indian series, OTT movies have audience in these countries who are not Indian.
Yeah.
So you feel like India has gone global, and we can get India one day. We're going to get an Indian movie on the opening night of Cannes. That's what we're going to do. I know after 29 years, there's been a film
30
right
years,
now being selected, which is great, which is a great first step. But we're going to end it with the opening night in Cannes.
Achha, you want to have an Indian film in the opening night?
My film, inshallah.
Your film.
Inshallah.
But this is your first time at Cannes, yeah?
Yeah, man. It's actually my first time, and dude, I heard there's 20,000 people more this year than last year.
It's been very difficult getting tickets in the morning, because you wake up and you're booking tickets at 7 a.m. and literally 5 seconds they're all gone.
Just gone, right?
All gone.
Unfortunately, I haven't got the time to actually sit down and watch movies, because there's so many people to meet, so many stalls, so many countries.
Okay, now tell us that this is your first time in Cannes. Where are we right now? What is happening? Tell the people who are watching us. कितना समझ में आया अभी तक?
Alright, समझ में तो बहुत आया है. मैं आपको बताता हूँ एक second. तो वहाँ पे पीछे जो है, that's you won't be able to see it, but if you go right at the end and you take a left, there's a market over there. All right, and that market is where all the upcoming films or independent filmmakers come and try and sell their films. And so once you're done with that, which is a big thing, it's like a 2-floor, 2.5 floors, it's really, really incredible. Every country has a stall over there. Individual films have stalls over there. And then once you get out of there, there's a distribution area, which is just for, I think, US, UK, Saudi, and a couple of other cities, but all of them have individual stalls, just like these ones, except a little bigger. All right, and they have private events which happen. They have private, you have to sign on early in the morning. In the US, you supposedly have to buy a ticket. If you want to go every day, you got to buy a ticket for about some $400 or something like that.
Yeah.
And but right.
This is Tajdar, the most happening guy.
This is what I'm talking
right now. World is crushing on him right now.
Hello. Hello.
Hiramandi, Ghana.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Crushing on you right now.
Oh my God. Oh,
One picture, please. One picture with us.
yeah. Okay.
And a video pan later. But Tata, you have to remove specs, glass because इसमें आपकी आंखें ही मजेदार है.
Thank you.
पर आपकी आप ग्लास निकालो आपका बहुत मजा है.
Okay.
Yes, this nice. Wait, ये आंखों की मजा है. Alam said did not get, but we get the Tajdar. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you. What's your name?
Payal Shah.
Payal. Thank you so much. What's your name, ma'am?
Arohi Shah.
Arohi Shah. Very nice to meet you.
Arohi.
Arohi. Hello, beta. How are you? Hello. How are you? Okay. Hello. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
आप ग्लास मत पहनो.
नहीं पहनो.
आंखें ही मजा है.
अच्छा. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Well done, very well done.
All right.
Great way to deal with that. Does it seem like real life right now?
Yeah. Quite. See, amazing feeling.
But this was the first time this is happening, right? Especially at a place like Cannes. You're in France right now, where people are like literally stopping you mid-sentence to take photos with you.
Yeah. It's really a blessing, man. It's Mama's blessings, and it's all thanks to Sanjay sir, who supposedly saw something
In your eyes, apparently.
right. And my God, this is so humbling. My mom is so happy.
Yes, your brother's happy?
You know what? My brother, for the first time, I called him last night. I was missing him, and he's always like, Taha, let's hope it's for the best. It'll happen. I hope it happens. Yesterday he's like, it will happen. It will happen. For the last 14 years, 15 years, he's like, I hope this, I hope that, and he's like, bro, it will happen, and if not, I know God will make it happen for you. So he spoke so positive.
No, I know, because when we spoke, when we met,
What? Once this is done. No, one sec. Yeah.
when we met, you were talking to me about your relationship with your brother and the fact that for the Hiramandi red carpet. Yeah, that was me. I asked you that question.
Yeah.
And for the Hiramandi red carpet, he was there, and you, I think, were almost in tears talking about how your brother and your mother are going to be there on the red carpet with you. Has it sunk in that your family is now finally accepted that Taha did the right thing by leaving his business roots?
No, I believe I never think that my mom never doubted me at all. At all, not even 0.01%, never. Right? She is the only person who has completely supported me in my worst of the worst times. And that is why I'm here today. Whereas my brother is a more practical kind of person. He wants you to be happy. He wants you to, do well for yourself. That's all he wanted, right? He's not that he's negative anyway. He just wants the best for me as an elder brother. So I feel that Abid, I love him, and I hated that, he used to speak like, I hope. Because, I'm quite an unrealistic person. And to be very honest, because I believe that when you're unrealistic, then you can break the glass ceiling, which is supposedly there. And if you're not, then you believe there's a ceiling and nothing can happen. So yeah, my mom and my brother are very, very proud. My brother, his wife, their families.
I'm
uncle's
glad.
families, everybody's proud.
I'm glad.
proud.
Very well.
I got a call yesterday from one of those producers who worked with me, and she's like, "Give me your mom's number." I'm like, "Okay." She's like, "You won't know what a mom is feeling right now." She's like, "But a mother will know what a mother is feeling right now." And she's like, "I want to call her, and I want to talk to her," and that really warmed my heart. Really, really, really warmed my heart.
Very sweet, so kind. Now, we're at the largest film festival in the world. There are all the biggest directors from all over the world, and India is also competing in a couple of categories, in the main category for sure. What kind of films do you watch? What kind of cinema do you like, just when you have some time?
Well, to be honest, I don't have the time to pick and choose. Whatever releases in India and cinema, I like sitting in cinemas and watching.
Yeah.
So I watch every movie that comes out. I try and watch South films. I try and watch, of course, Bollywood films, English films. It becomes very difficult for me to sit and watch content on TV. Not that it's great content, but it's like only when I'm having lunch for half an hour, I can actually switch on the TV and I'm like, okay, everybody, TV time. So that's like my half an hour of TV time in the morning, and then for dinner. So 1 hour I get. So that's the only time I watch. But the place I feel truly happy is when I watch, cinema that makes me cry.
Oh, what did you watch last that made you cry?
So I've had like a personal experience last year, and for some reason when I watched, how are you? Nice to meet you. Hello, ma'am. Can I just finish this in 2 minutes and then? Okay.
2 minutes रुक जाएं दोस्तों सिर्फ 2 more minutes.
Thank you.
You were talking about something that made you cry.
Yeah. So I watched 12th Fail.
Oh yeah.
Restart. So I'm a big supporter of Restart.
Personal हो गया ना थोड़ा वो.
Yeah, very बहुत personal हो गया. So I'm like, bro, this is like me in another dimension, all right? But so many people should have connected who have dreams, who have aspirations. So 12th Fail, great film. I cried a lot.
No.
Another film that I felt very inspired and motivated was when I watched, for some reason, the new Hunger Games.
What?
Yeah, right. The story between the guy and the girl, after he doing everything for her,
Okay.
she still leaves him.
Okay.
So like it feels.
You're
like
an emotional type of guy, na?
I am.
मतलब you really wear your heart on your sleeve?
I do, and I feel that many a times it has taught me very good lessons.
So then how easy or how tough is it for you to fall in love if you really wear your heart on your sleeve that much?
It's not tough. And first of all, love happens. You can't make it happen. You can't make somebody else fall in love with you, which I tried, and I miserably failed.
Oh no.
So I believe that it just happens, and finally you get mature love, in which you get to finally understand that love is sacrifice, love is keeping the other person's dreams in front of your dreams, love is being there for them and not completely being selfish. At this moment of time, I know I try and I'm a little selfish, to be very honest. I have to spend my time. I have to give back to my mother.
No, but you're hot property right now, Taha. If you were to take someone out on a date, what would that look like?
To be honest, I think the most regular is people like to go for dinners. I have घर का खाना मैं उनको घर पे बुला लूँगा.
दाल चावल खिलाओगे तुम डेट पर?
मैं घर का खाना खिलाऊंगा, अच्छा खाना खिलाऊंगा. दाल चावल नहीं, पर रोटी बना सकता हूँ. Okay, but I like.
खाना बनाते हो आप?
Survival.
अच्छा.
Survival stakes.
भूखे नहीं मरेंगे.
Yeah, exactly. But I would definitely invite them home, give them dinner. But of course, going out for a movie is always my favorite because I feel like I bond a lot.
Yes.
It also, if you're watching a good movie, it makes your mind go to your own experiences, and then you start, kind of sharing that with the other person. So I guess it's like a catalyst.
Okay, so you would take someone out. First, you would bring them home for dinner, and then
movie.
And then
movie,
dinner.
Walk. Then if they have dinner, depends on the time. Afternoon का date होगा तो फिर ये नहीं कर सकते. Afternoon date अलग होगा. But whenever it is, I feel that treating the girl right, and I'm not a big restaurant kind of guy. There was a big restaurant over here recently. Just yesterday night I'd gone. I felt so out of place.
Oh, you don't like going to restaurants?
Yeah, I don't like
That's
going to
weird.
I really don't. I just enjoy. I enjoy मैं जाके मैंने shawarma खाया है. मैं छोटा सा shawarma खा लेता हूँ.
यहाँ फ्रांस में लेबनीज खाना बहुत अच्छा होता है.
Yes. So I can't sit in big restaurants. I just feel awkward. I just like jaldi khana jaldi.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your time with me today. Thank you for sharing Tajdar with us. And it's a nice, sunny, beautiful day. Lovely to meet you here, Taha.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Siddhartha.